Jay. Pass to Lorenzo. Stop and pop 2, no good. Rebound by Uno. Touch pass to Aldrin. 2 points. Aldrin Bunao. 2-0. No good. Rebound by Uno again. Uno. Touch pass. No pass. Out of bounds. Ball stays with Team C. So Aldrin to 2 points. Kurt Reyes. 4-0. 9 minutes and 14 seconds. Job to Evan, to Jay. Touch pass to number 10. 2 points by Jamil. 4-2. 9 minutes exactly. To Dexter. To Kurt. Take it 3. No good. Rebound by Jay. Jay. Side-stepping move. 2 points. Jay. Deadlock. All more. 8 minutes and 44 seconds. Go ahead, take it 3. No good. Rebound by Lorenzo. Lorenzo to number 2. And out of bounds. Bola po na Team C. 8 minutes and 26 seconds. Next game po natin.
Kayo ba nung dati, nung nakaraan ng Wednesday, kayo kalaban nung
finals na.
Then nung Team E, nung 5, di ba dumating pa sila?
Kanalo.
Panalo ka sila.
No to Heaven, short jumper, no good, rebound by Aldrin. 7 minutes and 55 seconds. Joed, touch pass to Aldrin, back to Joed. 2 points, Joed Casanova. 6 more. Joby, foul. Sayang. Foul by jersey number 11, Uno. 7 minutes and 37. Take it 3, no good. Rebound by Joby. Intercepted by Uno. Nauna na si Aldrin. Binalik kay Aray. Out of bounds. Aray ko. Out of bounds. Wala lang. Team B. Oras, 7 minutes and 17 seconds. Take it 3, Lorenzo. No good. Rebound by Uno. Uno. Nice pass to Kurt. 14 seconds shot clock. To Uno sa ilalim. 10 seconds to shoot. Uno, take it 3. No good. Rebound by Jay. To Lorenzo. To Job. 6 minutes and 26 seconds. 10 seconds shot clock. Turnaround shot. No good. Rebound by Joed. Score 6 more. Intercepted by Job. To Lorenzo. To Jamil. Turnaround shot. No good. Rebound by Job sa ilalim. 2 points. Job. Deadlock 06. Joby. 6 minutes and 20. Aldrin. To Uno. Out of bounds. Bola lang. Team D. Madulas. Ingat lang po. Madulas po. Exactly. 6 minutes. Take 3. 3. Jay. 9-6, James Paymore. To Dexter, to Aldrin, short jumper, no good. Rebound by Jay. 9-6 long score. To Joby, foul. Foul by jersey number 22, Dexter Medina. 7 minutes and 26 seconds remaining on the clock. Lorenzo. To Jamil sa ilalim. Jamil pa rin. No good pa rin. Rebound by Joed. Last possession before change. Last possession. Steal by Lorenzo. 2 points. King scored na po. King scored. Basket by Lorenzo. 11-6 in favor of Team D. To Joel. Intercepted by Jay. Jay, power move sa ilalim. Foul. Foul by jersey number 22. Tabasako. To Jay. Intercepted by Joel. Intercepted by number 11. Intercepted, complete steal kaya? Nakuha pa rin ni Jamil sa ilalim. Jamil? 10 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. Third number. 2 points. Lorenzo. 13-6. 4 minutes and 7 seconds remaining. 10 seconds to shoot. Reyes, block. Foul. Foul by jersey number. Joel taking 3. No good pa rin. Rebound by Lorenzo. 3 minutes and 28 seconds remaining. Jay. Out of bounds. Bola na. Team C. 13-6. 3 minutes and 37. Good ball yan. Dexter. Block pero may foul. Foul by jersey number 10. Jamil. 3 minutes and 28. Taking 3, no good. Rebound by Lorenzo. Lorenzo, 3 minutes and 14 seconds. Is steal by Kurt. Reyes, 2 points. Kurt Reyes. 13-8, exactly 3 minutes. Heaven, touch pass to Jamil. Jamil power move. No good. Rebound by Joel. 2 minutes and 50. Reyes, short jumper. No good. Rebound by Joby. Jay. 15 seconds to shoot. Lorenzo taking 3. No good pa rin. Rebound by Joby. No good. Out of bounds down tawag. 2 minutes and 28 seconds. 13-8. 13-8. 13-8. Oh, 8 there. 2 minutes and 17 seconds. Joel, step back 3. No good. Rebound by Lorenzo. Two minutes and 5 seconds. Joby. Short jumper. Last 2 minutes. Foul. Jamil. Pull up 2. No good. Rebound by Dexter. Medina. Block by Jamil. What a block by Jamil. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Score 13-8. In favor of Team D. Reyes, take 3, no good. Out of bounds. 1 minute and 27 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Joby taking 3, no good. Rebound by Reyes. Reyes, lumipad na. 2 points. Good. Reyes, good ball. 13-10, tatlo na po ang kalamangan. Last 58 seconds, 9 seconds to shoot. Drop pass to Joby, 2 points. Joby. 15-10, 48 seconds. 5 po ang kalamangan ng Team D. 1, 2 points, 40 seconds. 15-12, 12, tatlo lang po ang kalamangan.
30 seconds.
10 seconds to shoot, 30 seconds remaining. 8 seconds to shoot. One more, 2 points. 23 seconds. Shot clock off. 3, 18 seconds left. 17, 15. 2-point lead. 10 seconds. 8 seconds. 8 seconds. Wala na pong shot clock yan. 8 seconds. Wala na pong shot clock. 17, 15. Dalawa lang po. 7 seconds. Walang shot clock yan. 7 seconds. 5 seconds. 3 seconds. 2, 1.